Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It's Wednesday, so another box day. I bought these crunch bars. I thought it was one big bar because I read the tiny print but didn't see the big print here that says it's 4 pieces. But down here it says one portion, one bar. So I thought it was one big one, but it's not. Well, I don't think it is now. So I was trying to get into this box, and here's the hangy thing. So this is what it hangs on the shelf. But there's no easy way to open the box. So that is kind of frustrating. So whenever you're doing your boxes, just keep that in mind. Easy open. That's why we do full flat, because you can easily open it. All right, so it's 4 pieces of the skinny chocolates. And of course I'm looking at how did they make this box, but we all know how to make this box. So we're gonna recreate the box. Okay, fold flat box book. Here we go. Empty page. Ugh. Here's an empty page, but I wrote the name of what this was on the wrong side. That's funny. Where's my pencil I like? Anyway, I use a pen. So this was the 3-pack Raffaello. Okay. This side is going to be 4P Crunch Box. And I'm pretty sure they have these in the States. It's just a long, thin crunch. Kind of like an Airhead or one of the large Laffy Taffies. So this will work. Yep, I'm opening this one and I'm going to eat it because I bought it to eat it. Crunch, excuse me. Crunch used to be my absolute favorite candy bar. Then as I got older, I only liked the Crunch Hearts on Valentine's Day, then the Crunch Bells on Christmas. I like this one because it's, when you go outside the United States, even though it's Crunch, the formula is different. They don't use as much sugar, or as much, you know, bad stuff as we do in the States to make everything so delicious. Here, Crunch is my favorite chocolate. I don't like the Kit Kats here. Okay. So this box is 3 by 5 3/4 by just under 3/4 of an inch, but over the 5 3/8. So I'm just gonna say 3/4. We're not gonna work with 16ths and 32nd of an inch, 32th. I don't know how to say that measurement. We're not dealing with that. All right, so we're gonna plug this in while I'm eating though. 1/2, 1/2. Left to right, up and down. Okay. Okay. This one tastes a little weird. This one's made with 100% Ecuadorian chocolate. Okay. It's not bad. It's just it has a different flavor. It's like a little. I don't want to say tangy. Tangy's not the adjective I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for, but it tastes a little bit different. All right, let's math. Oh, I just wrote on my wall. 0.75 plus 3 plus 0.75 plus 3 plus 0.75 equals 8 1/4 by up and down 0.5 plus 0.75 plus 5.75 plus 0.75 plus 0.5. How's that the same measurement? I'm just redoing my math. No, it is the same. So 8 1/4 by 8 1/4, which for me, that is going to be an awkward measurement because, oh my gosh, because my paper is not 8 1/4. A4 paper is, oh no, it is 8 1/4. Okay. Because American paper is 8 1/2. Okay, there we go. Okay. 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. Cool. Hold on, I'm trying to get the paper out. The paper's too thin. Okay. I think this is A4. Yeah, okay. So 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. I'm gonna be so confused again when I go back to the States and get letter size paper because I'm so used to A4 paper now. Okay, oh, I didn't even do the measurements, did I? Oof. Okay, so they're both long and short. It's a square, so you're just gonna pick one side as quote unquote the long side and one side as the short side. So this one needs to be 1/2 inch and 0.5 plus 0.75, 1 1/4 on both sides. And on the other side, you need 3/4, 3 3/4, 0.75 plus 3 plus 0.75, 4 1/2 plus 3, 7 1/2, and that should be it. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Yep. Okay. Yeah, this year we're going faster on boxes, guys, because we had a couple of years that we've gone super slow, and you guys should know how to do the box by now with me, and by yourself, hopefully. I love hearing success stories. And I still have all my videos up on telling you how to use the box templates. So it's broken down extremely slow. All right, so 1/2 inch and 1 1/4, comma 7 and 7 3/4. Okay, rotate it to the other side, and we're going to score it 3/4. Um, 3 3/4. 4 1/2. And 7 1/2. Or 3/4 from the right. Okay, that's all we need. Let's go ahead and move our book and varnish. And varnish. And here we go. And here we go. Okay, so put your paper where the double scored lines are at top, so you have that little 1/2 inch at top and the 1/2 inch at the very bottom. We're gonna get some scissors. We're gonna cut off the bottom 4 boxes, so 2 rectangles, 2 squares. So you're gonna start from the right hand side. You're gonna cut, and you're gonna cut. Okay, what you do to the bottom, you need to do to the top. So we're gonna go ahead and cut and cut. Right, back to starting position. First score line here, cut up, cut half, miter and miter. Score line, cut up, half, miter and miter. Right. Okay. Rotate what you do to the bottom, you gotta do to the top, vice versa. Score line, half, miter, miter. Score line, half, miter, and miter. The hummingbirds are knocking on my craft room window. I guess David, he filled their feeders this morning. Huh. One might be empty. Oh, I forgot to miter this corner. It's not a big deal if you don't. Miter, and I'm gonna chop a little piece off because I think I mismeasured it. I can already see. Right, corner rounder. And your closing flaps, or as I like to call it, the middle finger. Same thing here. This one is probably going to give me problems closing because it doesn't look like I cut it the best, but we'll see. Okay, starting position, fold in, varnish, glue. Allegedly, supposedly, maybe, not happening. Yes, allegedly is one of my favorite words. No, I don't always use it correctly, but do I care? No. Because if these kids can say literally and mean figuratively, and we even changed it in the Webster Dictionary, that literally can mean figuratively, then I can say allegedly however I want. Okay. Glue, fold over, rub it in, and box that you can easily open and not struggle like I did. And that is absolutely perfect. And I think I'm gonna decorate mine. I'm gonna put this in recycle bin. I think I'm gonna decorate mine in a Valentine theme and give these to someone tomorrow because I have an event coming up. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.